This is the reverse loop-de-loop.
You turn on like lightning, spark up a fire. You do you, keep something on the floor. You're knocking down the doors.
Dude Perfect.
Well, howdy. Got a sugar glass bottle on top of my head. I am worried about the nose. It's rather large, and I just don't want it to be broken. Good luck, Ty.
This is the Plain Bottle Busting Trust Shot. You ready, Codes? Sure.
And do your thing. You turn on like lightning, spark up a fire. You do you.
I told him all he had to do is trust me, and he did.
Ty just got diagnosed with strep throat.
That they don't need to know that.
I got two
they
little
don't
girls at home, man.
All right, folks, here's the deal. Corey hits this target, boom, releases the balloon. I hit it with my airplane before it hits the ceiling.
And you were supposed to catch that. Now, gotta go blow up another one. See you guys in 10 minutes.
I'm gonna use this here plane to snap that there string. This is the 2-point swisher.
Got a bit of a doozy here for you folks. Ping pong ball on a string will catch the bracket, flip the plane up under, and then pop a balloon with this here toothpick. Let's get after it.
You turn on like lightning, spark up a fire.
Got everyone's favorite mascot rolling around the corner. This is the Panda Popper. It's always exciting, and then there's the confetti to pick up, and it's like, was it worth it? I say we just let Panda pick it up.
I agree.
Panda, grab a broom.
Spark up a fire. When you do
Our research and development team here at Dude Perfect, Tyler, made some quick modifications.
If Kobe throws a good plane, that hush puppy's coming in and landing right here.
As always, when there's a shot that involves putting your life on the line, Ty has somehow volunteered. Just know that if this goes poorly, I probably wished I wouldn't have done it. Well, due to some unforeseen circumstances, we now have a yellow balloon attached to me. No! 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 Trust shot on myself.
you turn on like lightning, spark up a fire. When you do you.
I'm doing a blindfolded balloon buster, which means once I throw it, we're just waiting to hear if it pops. Here we go.
You're knocking down the doors. When you do you.
Look at me, though. What's up, guys? Team Corey fans may remember that I recently lost my eyebrows. I just want to say thanks for all the encouraging comments. This plane's about to fit through here, apparently.
Go on and do your thing. You turn on like lightning, spark up a fire. When you do you, keep something on.
Welcome, ladies and gentlemen, to the Dude Perfect Treehouse. You guys may recognize the wood. It's from the old basketball court. Rest in peace. Rage Monster really did its toll. What do you say we do a trick shot from up here, huh? Take the wings off. It's torpedo time. Coming at you, Codes.
And do your thing. You turn on like lightning, spark up a fire. When you do you.
We had target missile lock on. She is destroyed. Gong, baby.
What's Codes doing? Is he talking to the GoPro?
He's talking to the GoPro.
Gong. She gong. Ah, nice. Cool. See ya. Next shot. Here we go.
Keep on doing you. Keep on.
This right here is the Twisty Pop. Check it out.
You keep on doing you.
Yes! What a Twisty Pop! Nice.
So we made a ring the size of me. This is 6'6" tall. Don't get dizzy, because this is the roly-poly.
Just like what I never understand.
It's time for a plane reaction shot. Chain reaction shot with the plane. Here we go.
You're knocking down the doors when you do you. When you do you.
It's the crossbar skipper.
Always take it up like you can fly. It's almost dangerous. You're like a blaze, no never holding back. Spin me around, give me a heart
It's still
attack.
amazing.
Go on,
And I'd like to say that our passengers came to a safe landing.
do you. Keep stomping on the floor. You're knocking down the doors when you do you. When you do you. Keep on doing you. Keep on.
You guys have seen the loop-de-loop, but we're gonna skip the double loop-de-loop and go straight to the triple loop-de-loop.
This is the trip flip.
Keep on doing you, keep on doing you. You turn on like lightning, start a fire. When you do you, when you do you, keep stomping on the floor. You're knocking down the doors. When you do you,
What's up, guys? Thanks for watching. If you're not already a Dude Perfect subscriber, click down here so you don't miss out on any new videos. Special thanks to our friends at The Whistle for making this video possible. Click here to watch Dunk League and see who wins the $50,000 prize. For bloopers and more bonus footage, click right here to join the DP squad. Signing off for now. Pound it, noggin, see ya!